Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and sales process, this is the video for you. Today, I'll be walking you through exactly how to connect your Salesforce account with Mailchimp step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Mailchimp and Salesforce accounts talking to each other smoothly, so you can automate important tasks and grow your business more efficiently. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, take a look around the workspace. You'll want to find the section for integrations. These integrations are powerful because they allow Mailchimp to work together with other apps you use every day like Salesforce. Integrations might sound technical, but think of them as bridges connecting two islands, making it easy for information to travel back and forth. Now in the integrations section, you'll notice a neat, organized list or even a search bar to help you find what you need. Let's use that search bar to make things easy. Just type in Zap. This might feel a little cryptic at first, but Zap refers to connections powered by Zapier, a tool that acts like a universal remote for dozens of popular apps. Zapier is what's going to enable Mailchimp to talk directly to Salesforce without any complicated coding. You'll see an option pop up for Zapier. Go ahead and select it. If you haven't used Zapier before, don't worry. It's straightforward and perfectly designed for exactly this purpose. Next, in the Zapier interface, look for another search bar. This time type in Salesforce. This is where the real magic starts to happen. By typing Salesforce, you're basically telling the system, hey, I want to link up these two platforms. You'll be presented with several ready-made templates for integrating Salesforce and Mailchimp. These templates are like recipes. You don't need to invent anything new, just pick the one that best matches what you want to achieve, whether it's syncing new leads, automating email lists, or updating contacts. Take a moment to review the templates and select the one that fits your workflow. If you're not sure which one to choose, I recommend starting simple. Remember, you can always adjust or create more advanced connections later. Once you select a template, the system will prompt you to log in with your email. This is important because it securely links your Mailchimp and Salesforce accounts. If this step pops up a window or takes a moment to load, don't panic. It's all part of making sure your data is protected. Enter your login details carefully and give any permission prompts a quick review before accepting. After you've logged into Mailchimp, it's time to log into Salesforce. If you already have a Salesforce account, simply enter your details. If not, you'll need to create one before going any further. This login process ensures that the right account is being connected, so you don't mix up data between workspaces. Double-check if you manage multiple Salesforce accounts. Now you'll continue to the configuration step. Think of this as customizing the handshake between Mailchimp and Salesforce. What kind of information will move between the two and when? Go through the prompts methodically, and don't worry if you're not sure about every option. Most templates offer sensible defaults, so you can always come back later and tweak your setup as your business needs evolve. Next up is the testing phase. This is crucial. Testing makes sure everything is working properly before you let it run in the background. Send a test piece of data, like a dummy contact or a sample campaign, just to confirm both systems are talking the way they should. If something doesn't look right, Zapier will usually give you tips or point out where to double-check your settings. Finally, once your test has passed and you're confident in the setup, it's time to publish your integration. This launches the Zap, meaning your Mailchimp and Salesforce accounts will now work together automatically according to the rules you set. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Salesforce and Mailchimp, setting yourself up for smarter, smoother marketing and sales workflows. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need extra tips. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.